Chat GPT is an advanced AI chatbot trained by OpenAI, which interacts in a conversational way, a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with a chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, essays, and computer codes. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to register and log into the platform, how to write some basic and advanced prompts for deeper interactions, how to use it for research, especially in journal paper and project writing, how to use it to write extensive computer codes for different languages including R, Python, and MATLAB, how to use it to write short stories, e-books in minutes, cover letters, and resumes for all kinds of job applications. In this same course, you will learn how to develop shopping lists and standard procedures for cooking dishes. And above all, you'll learn how to join the Chat GPT community for questions and possible collaborations. This tutorial is designed for beginners with zero experience in the use of Chat GPT. Thank you for joining, and without taking much of our time, let's get started.